What's happening? Wagwan. Welcome back to Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, guys. To all my viewers and subscribers, again, thank you. Enough respect. 5,000 subscribers and counting. So, my viewers and subscribers, here we want to talk about today. We want to talk about CMR, Chrissy, and all what are going on. Yeah, man. Me know by now, say the case drop, yeah? Yeah, man, the case drop. What caused the case to drop? What caused the case to drop? There's only one way. Two ways. There's two ways a case go drop. One, there isn't enough evidence. Two, the person withdraw the matter. Yeah, the person withdraw the matter, meaning the person can say anything. The person can tell them, well, I didn't mean it that way, I was just... The person can do a lot of things, you know? I don't know which one of them happen. But I go tell them, say me know, when me no know. Me no know which one of them happen. But one after two happen. So me go break down something. Me go break down a little something. The only reason why the police, one, where not enough evidence, can be the case why the case drop, is something me can't even think about how that part would have happened. Because remember, the victim didn't say he insert. She did not say that. Yes, she did not say that. Touch is different from insert. However, while the police are investigating, the police have to go after where the victim said, not what the accused said. So me I go with this. So, what really me think happened, me nah say I hit happen, you know. So me no want none of you go say me say that happened. When me think happen, I have to do with the victim. Yes. The victim is the only one can stop it. Yes, man. And how that can happen? The only way that can happen is if somebody that the victim hears. And again, me no know, but that's my terminology of it. But my viewers and subscribers, which part the victim go from here? From here, yeah? From here, where the victim go? I see a video, I see CMR and his daughter. I'm gonna be honest. It look like she have a lot of fun with her father. I'm gonna be honest again. I wonder what the victim really doing right now. I wonder how the victim feel right now. I wonder what's going on in the victim head right now. Yeah? Any of you out there, sit down and think that when I talk to a victim and the victim tell me that at 50. She's in her 50s. And she still have to be going to counseling. She still have to be talking to people about the trauma she gone through at age 10. When I think and I listen, I have to ask myself, when I think and listen, I really have to ask myself, if you're in your 50s and you're still going through those kind of traumas, how are you really feeling at age 13? Young, you know? And it's not only age 13. This thing was all in the public eyes. It's not like some people who it happened to and nobody knows anything about it. This been on the news, in the newspaper. It's on you, it's on everything. So my question is about this thing. It not go rub out, it cannot rub off the internet. So again, where the victim go from here? Where the victim go from here? Because, as you can see, he's having a nice time with his kid, that is kid. And the victim also, guys, guess what I also notice? I also notice he's still at that greenhouse. Yes, he's still at that greenhouse, even though the case is dropped. I don't know if you noticed that, but even though the case is dropped, he's still at that greenhouse. So another question is, the case dropped, but he's not in the house. So here is what I notice. There's a whole bunch of things that are going on. Where me try my best to get all the information we can get. However, after I go to Jamaica and come back, I can't get nothing. Yeah, after I go to Jamaica and come back, in the country, them guys say everything lock off. The only thing happen is I get a link about a studio that CMR a bill. Yeah, man, a recording studio. Yeah. And a special woman buy him a chair. Very important woman. I have no idea who that woman is. I can't say who that woman is. And listen, do not say I say who this woman is, because I do not know who this woman is. The only thing I know is that he says a woman, a lady, a girl, a female buy him a very nice chair. And he's working on a studio, putting a studio together. That's all I get from he come back from Jamaica. Nothing else. But me viewers and subscriber, let me tell you all something. The victims in these cases is having a hard time. Them have a hard time because a victim called me and a victim talked to me and the victim said to me, she in her 50s and she still have problem. She still have problem. So my question is, where we go from here? What go happen to the victim? Is it the victim is going to have to live like all the rest of victims? Bearing the pain, bearing to listen, to hear that people is saying, oh, she lie, oh, she wicked, oh, a wicked girl that, oh, she, you know. That's my question. Yeah, man, that's for real. That's my question. Because me, I wonder to myself, say, which party go from here, so? You know, knowing say the case drop, and CMR, let me say this to you, say, there is a couple things by your name. Cheating. I'm going to tell you something. When them say a man cheat, you see, you get a lot of blame and a lot of things. You shouldn't cheat on her because she's a nice woman, you know. You shouldn't cheat on her because she this, she that. You shouldn't cheat on her, you know. Cheating is cheating. Cheating is, to be honest with you, cheating at the least are your problem. But remember, there go be that thing over your head. It will never move from over your head. I'm going to tell you this. If somebody, no matter what you do in life, your name will call towards that specific thing. Me and my friend attack, and I said to my friend, say, yeah man, you remember CMR? Oh, you remember the youth there? Yeah, that. Yeah man. So, that's somebody there, I talk to that somebody there, them go say, yeah, you remember that youth there? If them can't remember your name, them are going to remember the youth where. You understand what I say? So, the church and all them things where you go, it's nice. But when me want to ask you say, why you never did go to church and before all this happened? What's the difference? Eh? What is the difference of you going to church now and going to church then before all of this happened? What is the difference now? And CMR, suppose me tell us, is that me use and polish it off and know say you're guilty? Yeah, man. Because guess what? Them say every judge is a sinner. But you never go to church before all of this. Then all of a sudden you start to go to church. You know, God not like ugly. But God gave everybody a chance. But my question is to you. How you feel to know that the case dropped and the victim is still out there? How you feel if you know that the victim, you're going to be able, you go have a looking at the victim eye. Or you may not go looking at the victim eye because maybe there's a plan. Maybe there's a plan, as it was said by someone on Chrissy Live about getting the girl out of the house. But also, I want to say this. And to all my viewers and subscribers, all who are listening to this video or watch this video, me know someone who are going to come at me. Tell me to leave the people alone. And, you know, me's here for the victim. See? And the victim me I talk about, and the victims them were out there. How do you as a man feel to know that she said it? Not me, not them, she said it. So that means something not right. But the case dropped. And we have to take it as that. Yeah, man, we have to take it as that. The case dropped. But not because the case dropped. That doesn't mean say it never happened. Yeah. You see what I say? Not because the case dropped. You are going to say that never happened. Yeah, the case just dropped because either she say something or happen to withdraw our statement. Because you know that can happen. That happen every day. People withdraw a statement every day. Yeah, man, every day people withdraw a statement. But when I say still, remember, also, my viewers and subscribers, remember, this little girl said she just wants somebody to talk to him. She don't want him to get in trouble. Remember that part. She don't want him to get in trouble. So she understand, say, he will get in trouble. But she don't want him to get in trouble. And I think because she don't understand, she go to the school and talk to somebody at the school, never knowing him would have get in trouble. So just read through all them lines and you realize this is something what happened for real, allegedly, but not, you know, in your brain, huh? In your brain. But now all of a sudden the case dropped. My viewers and subscribers, I'll soon again for the next video. Yeah, man, there's more to come on this saga. And there's more to come about talking to a victim who she don't want her name, her face, her voice to show. So I go give her info. I go just talk about it. And you know, all the victims them out there, yeah man, if you need somebody to talk to, yeah man, Rodney's Kitchen and Lifestyle, yeah man, me there, ready to listen, ready to talk, ready to share your story, if you want your story to share. But, you know, enough love, enough respect, enough manners, and to all the victims out there. Purple Heart goes out. Enough love, enough respect, hold strong, stay strong, go on to your counseling and just live up and remember, one life, one aim and one destiny. Peace. I'm out.